Okay, so I have to restart. I restarted. So welcome to my first video, also aka also my first vlog at Kings Island, right behind the Miami Valley, the Miami Valley River Railroad train. That's an actual scale model of the general train. So if you're a fan of trains, you want to come here. They got a train here. So yeah, this is my first vlog. And so yeah, first vlog. I'm at the exit of Mystic Timbers, which is literally right by the Kings Island Miami Valley River Railroad, which is one of the 11 rides that is still at this park today. Hey, and looks like they're doing test runs on Diamondback, I see. Hopefully you saw that. But yeah, vlogging. So they're just my kid. Screen's getting a little wet, so yeah, I'm vlogging here. It looks like we're about to get a move on.
What are you talking to?
Vlogging! What? But my dad doesn't seem too happy I'm vlogging, but hey, I see my dad's picture. Wait a minute, did it hurt?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, I saw them doing test run. I might want to go to Woodstock next.
No, we're going home.
Oh. Well, that's gonna end a trip here. But I could try to get some more fire footage while I'm exiting the car. I'm just leaving right now. Really rainy day here.
Michael, I get shotgun. Michael, I was like this just a minute.
And there goes another empty train. Looks like they're test running and about to open Diamondback. Last time I went over there, it was closed due to this rain, which I sort of understand. That was my sister, yes. Yeah, I'm just chilling at this park. But yeah, really rainy day here. It doesn't look that busy. It's actually not that busy today. But yeah.
Michael, did you hold my phone in your pocket? I don't want my phone to get any more wet. My pocket's too thin.
Yeah, it looks like people are
Maybe you need to start putting like a fanny pack or something.
looks like people are starting to find indoor areas. I'm walking out of the park. But yeah, this is the first ever vlog I'm doing. You might see more vlogs at Kings Island. Passing Diamondback, I'll show you the sick logo. Ninja Attack. Hey! It's the logo right there.
The phone turned around for that.
Yeah, it's actually open right now.
Hey! It's open. It's like, no, wait, can we go?
We need to get back home.
Go!
You guys really want to ride in the rain?
Yeah, it's better than no ride. Better than no ride.
One ride.
Alright. Diamondback is open. I'm about to get on the Diamondback.
Hey, we will meet you outside the security post.
Alright, security post. Alright. So, about to end my vlog soon.
We're back.
Going to ride Diamondback. I'm a little nervous because last time I rode it. Then again, shouldn't be that scared, but yeah, we're in line for Diamondback. You see a train going up its hill. Everyone right there is on YouTube. So, yeah, I'm about to have to stop my vlog all. I'll continue my vlog when I station wait. And yeah, there's someone up there. So yeah, literally station wait today. This is, then again it is boring, so yeah, I'm gonna have to end my vlog soon. Yep. So yeah, I'm in the station. Looks like these people are excited to ride. This is gonna be on YouTube. Hey, guys, this is gonna be on YouTube. If you want to see it, type in Michael Swatzer, or just type in Michael Swatzer, you'll find my channel, okay? If you want to see yourself on YouTube, type in Michael Swatzer. This is gonna be on my channel. Yep, first video.
What's your channel called?
Michael Swatzer. Just
Michael?
yeah, that's just it.
Train's locked. Station,
Alright. These people are excited to ride, and yeah, they're about to dispatch a train on the Diamondback. Really, really raining.
Hello, please thank you guys. I really enjoy your ride. Back here on the Diamondback.
They're really excited to ride, alright? I'm gonna end my vlog there. If you like this vlog, leave a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more vlogs here. I'll even post some videos, other videos, but yeah, leave a like, subscribe. If anyone leaves a comment and says I subscribed and like, I will reply to you guys and subscribe to your channel. So that's it for my first video. See ya.